Dogecoin since this morning is breaking out of this descending triangle pattern. Not only is Dogecoin breaking out, we have Ethereum breaking records. We have not seen these levels since May. We have a lot of very, very important information for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies that you cannot miss, so make sure you watch the entire video. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies where we call out huge plays every single day. And if you want to get access to my profitable trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon for only $10 a month where you get access to my profitable trade alerts. You can message me anytime. I can talk to you on the phone, build you a portfolio, teach you technical analysis, and much more. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. And make sure you also follow my Twitter so you stay up to date with technical analysis updates. And if you love Dogecoin and Shiba Inus and Yoshi, make sure you hit that like button, blow up the comment section with any questions, comments, or concerns that you may have. I will get back to the top comments in my videos. So before we dive into technical analysis to see what's going on with Dogecoin, where we're headed, look at this news article. Everything is getting bigger. Naomi Osaka says Dogecoin got her interested in crypto. So Naomi, she is actually the highest paid female athlete in the entire world. And she's talking to her agent about investing into cryptocurrency. And not only is she doing this, she's very interested in Dogecoin. She has jumped upon the Dogecoin bandwagon, jumped on the Doge train, and is getting ready with us to launch to the moon. Having big celebrities talk about Dogecoin, get involved in Dogecoin is exciting because it can bring a whole group of people into the space, which we will see as time goes on. There's so many different celebrities that love Dogecoin because of its memes, because of its jokes, but also because its future potential and use case, which we are all waiting for and we are all excited. But moving on, let's talk about what's going on with the crypto market, because historically, yes, it is proven that September is statistically bearish. Okay, it doesn't mean that every single September for cryptocurrencies are bearish. No, we have to understand what's actually happening behind the scenes. So yes, statistically September is bearish, but because we had a very long correction period the last couple of months, I'm not sure exactly if September is going to be bearish for us. And there's a lot of data and information proving that September might actually end up turning to be a very bullish month, because Bitcoin last year, Ethereum last year, cryptos last year really started to moving last September. That's when a lot of people started getting involved in Bitcoin, and that's when things really began to uptick for cryptos. But Coinbase Bitcoin reserves dropped to the lowest level since December 2017. If you've been involved in crypto since December 2017, or you know what happened around that time period, that is when Bitcoin nearly reached its all-time high of that era. So this is incredibly bullish. When there was a huge reserve drop in 2017, that's what caused the massive spike price in Bitcoin and Ethereum at the time. So there's a supply shock, a supply shortage for Bitcoin and for cryptocurrencies happening right before our very eyes, levels that we have not seen since 2017. And this is going to show us whenever these levels drop, and we do know this, the prices of cryptocurrencies not much longer after go crazy. And Bitcoin is starting to now gather some strength. So we have the reserves of Bitcoin low and Ethereum low, but now Ethereum is outperforming the entire market. And I think Ethereum is now actually going to start leading Dogecoin, leading other cryptocurrencies, not Bitcoin. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin as it does every single year. And I think Ethereum is going to overtake Bitcoin by market cap here very soon, that Bitcoin will become the altcoin. Ethereum will become the coin, and Ethereum is going to be the one dictating where Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies head. And based on the fundamentals of Ethereum, because there is a supply shortage, because now with that Ethereum update, the EIP 1559, Ethereum is burned every single day. So many Ethereum every single day, and it's causing a massive supply shortage. It's causing it to be deflationary, and this will help Ethereum continue to go up and up and up and up, and potentially reach $10,000 or more by the end of the year. If you want a good platform to buy buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin and Cardano, use my WEBULL link if you sign up and deposit $100 using my link in the video description below. They'll send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000. So check this out. Ethereum price breaks $3,500 and hits the 3-month highs against Bitcoin. So Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin by a long shot, and this is very good. So just like Bitcoin was kind of dictating the whole market, it's starting to happen right now that Ethereum is actually leading the whole market up. It's leading Dogecoin, it's leading Cardano, it's leading Solana up. And what we're seeing through on-chain data analysis for Ethereum is that there's a lot of hodling happening right now. The people that are buying Ethereum, they're hodling it. They're not selling it, they're not trading it. They're buying and holding long term, and that's what's happening to Bitcoin. They're also hodling it. That's what's happening to a lot of cryptocurrencies right now. They're putting it in cold storage. They are putting it in a place that they plan to hold long term. And this is what is going to help build the foundation of stability for cryptocurrencies. And this is what is going to push up the prices of cryptocurrencies like crazy. So let's dive into some technical analysis. Let's see where the whole crypto market is headed. So if we take a look at Ethereum, it is just going straight up, parabolic. Yes, we've had some times where things were looking a little slow, right? But we called out in the video last week, talked about it several times. Look, Ethereum is forming this bullish flag. Whenever you see this right here, 80% of the time it ends up fulfilling its prophecy. It ends up breaking out, and that's what happened. Look, a bullish flag is when you see a long flag pull up, which is a big boost up, followed by a consolidation period, which kind of heads down, or is just a tight little area. Then there's a level of resistance that it fails to break, and eventually there gets a big breakout, which is happening right now, and it's forming the same exact pattern again. That's generally what we see. Is like you see this flag pull, the little flag, and then it keeps doing this. It's very, very bullish. As I've been calling out the last week, Ethereum is still looking very bullish. Now look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually ended up breaking out of this downtrend here, which is very good. So this is the reversal that we're taking a look at. So it's looking like Bitcoin might come and test this to bounce off of it, using it as a level of support, which will be very good. But Bitcoin this morning ended up hitting nearly $48,000, which is a very good sign. So taking a look at Ethereum, we're seeing the strength of the market. We take a look at Solana, looking very bullish. We take a look at Cardano forming this bullish flag. So it's looking like Cardano is getting ready to break out, especially ahead of the September 12th massive update, which is going to allow smart contracts. It's going to allow NFTs and much more on Cardano. But Myles, what about Dogecoin? It seems like Dogecoin is doing nothing. No, on a technical level, Dogecoin is actually performing better than expected. So we ended up in this descending triangle pattern, which is bullish. Ended up breaking out of it, right? But we had a false breakout, so we came back inside the pattern, which we ended up bouncing off at the support level. So we broke out of the pattern, and now we are just retracing to a little degree, most likely can continue to head up. So for Dogecoin, this was the reversal. It appears that this is the reversal and that we are going to be headed up. So if Ethereum can continue to push forward, it will help Bitcoin. It'll help a bunch of other cryptos. But there's a little bit in the FUD in the news today. Nothing big, just some people running their mouths that they don't like crypto. And I think this is pushing the crypto market down just a very tiny little bit. But you know, FUD that has no substance cannot affect cryptos in the long term, can only affect them for a day or two, just like we see in the stock market. And if you got something out of the video, please smash that like button, share this video with some of your friends and family. Below the comment section, I will see you all later.